Guys, we're heading to Bar Harbor today, and we're meeting with everyone on the team for a little bit of a party. We're doing the Downeast famous launch party, and I have to say, I'm really excited about it. We're in Bar Harbor.
We're in Bar Harbor.
Oh man.
The sun is in my eyes.
We're here for the chamber thing. Not chamber. What are we doing?
The Downeast famous lunch party.
That's right, launch party.
Jesus.
You know what you're talking about.
I know what you're talking about.
No, you know what you're talking about. I don't know what I talk about.
Oh, okay. Ironically, I was very confused by that sentence.
All right, we're here at the Downeast famous podcast launch party. Now it's been rebranded to Maine famous, and I'm really excited because I get to see everybody that we interviewed during the show, or at least a few people. And so far, feedback has been great from everybody. So I'm gonna kind of schmooze, get around, talk to people, and see if I can't pass out a few business cards.
But I just want to say a few things to start. One, to Gardner. He's the tallest guy in the room.
Yeah, Gardner.
He is our producer of the first season of the Downeast podcast, and he's the reason why we all look and sound so great. So thank you to him.
Yes.
Thank you to the room team, Michael Boland, Caroline Coleman, and everyone for putting out such a great spread and hosting us here. I want to thank Jenna, because without her, I don't even want to think about what this season would have looked like. She's the reason why it's so magical. I want to thank all of our guests that came on. I see Karen right here. Rachel is down there. And then just a little bit about me. I'm a Mainer. I grew up in Southern Maine. I, like a lot of people who were 20, wanted to get out of Maine as soon as they could, and I spent 15 years in Boston and on the seacoast of New Hampshire. And during that time, I realized how special Maine is. It took me getting away from it in the specific to see it more generally. And when I moved back here 5 years ago, I was like, how can I give back to the community? I knew I couldn't open a restaurant or a shop or a museum, but my husband and I have a branding and marketing background, and we knew that we could build this platform to help spotlight all of the amazing things of people in Maine. And cheers to you.
Cheers. So April, we just got done with your event here.
My favorite event so far.
It was awesome. I
Yeah.
had fun. I got to see a lot of the people who are on the show, and got to connect with them, and that was great. And then you shouted me out in your little speech there, and
Well,
you did a great job.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I felt the most comfortable. I was 3 speeches in. I'm finally hitting my stride, maybe.
Yeah, absolutely you were. Yeah, you did a great job. So, like, what was one takeaway that you got from this?
Ooh, I just love that there are so many younger women at this party. Like, it was great to meet a bunch of people I haven't met so far, and they are still showing up to the party. A lot of people saying that they love the podcast and that they're like tuned in and can't wait for the next people that are coming on. And I just really like how excited everyone is here for what we're doing.
I picked up that same vibe. Everybody seemed very excited. And we've got a few episodes out now. Is there any feedback you've received about the episodes?
People are just obsessed with them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It really seems that way.
Yeah. And we have some great rock stars coming up that they really brought the energy. And I'm so excited to showcase them.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you for inviting us, by the way.
Thank you so much for being here.
All right, so we just finished up at the Downeast Famous event. Did you have fun?
I did. You?
Yeah, you were my camera operator.
I prefer to think of myself as your plus one, but whatever.
Right, of course. You're my assistant slash girlfriend.
Yeah.
Emphasis on the assistant.
Oh my god.
All right, so we're back to the car now, and we're heading to Bangor. We're gonna get some Mexican food.
That's right, it's pronounced Bangor,
Bangor.
not banger.
So I think it's interesting that April mentioned her key takeaway was the turnout for the community, and especially like the young women who had shown up to the launch event. And truthfully, I think that's my key takeaway too. I mean, you know, I have a YouTube channel with 130,000 subscribers, you know, spread out all over the world. I just got back from a conference in Berlin, and it was great to meet those people. And I've helped, you know, multinational corporations reach millions of subscribers on their YouTube channels. But especially coming back from the launch party last night, it's kind of put into perspective my priorities. And I think what's most important to me at this point in my life is helping local businesses tell their stories, helping to connect community members to the businesses that make living here worth living here, you know? So continuing to work with Downeast Maine Famous now, is like a top priority for me, but also continuing to produce content for other Maine businesses. I think that's a worthwhile goal. So if you are interested in working with me to tell your homegrown Maine business story, let me know. There's a link down below to contact us. Peace.